For many decades, satellite constellations have served as the main foundation for global navigation and communication across aviation, maritime operations, and many other fields. Systems such as GLONASS in Russia or GPS in the United States rely on groups of orbiting satellites to deliver positioning and timing data across the world. But satellites are inherently vulnerable. They can be intercepted. They can be hacked. They can suffer from electronic warfare and deliberate jamming. They can fail due to orbital decay, harsh space weather, or political conflict. For organizations that require guaranteed control over communication and navigation, especially unmanned aerial vehicles, drones, autonomous cars, or critical infrastructure, depending entirely on satellites can be extremely risky. This is where GEOCOSMOS enters the picture. Introduced by ZALA in the year 2025, GEOCOSMOS removes reliance on satellites and mobile networks. Instead, it builds a terrestrial, ground-based communication and navigation system. According to ZALA and its chief designer Alexander Zakharov, GEOCOSMOS is essentially a ground version of space-based services, described as a, quote, Ground-Starlink, unquote, allowing drones and aircraft to operate reliably without depending on satellites. This shift is more than technological. It introduces a strategic advantage in an era where satellites are extremely valuable but dangerously exposed. Governments and industries increasingly need systems they can fully control, especially for national security, civil aviation, and major industrial activity. At the center of GEOCOSMOS is a large distributed network made up of ground stations and airborne transceivers. Together, they create an autonomous communication and navigation structure rooted on Earth instead of relying on orbiting spacecraft. The network is planned to consist of approximately 12,000 ground stations linked through fiber optic cables. This fiber optic backbone synchronizes signals across the entire system, providing precise timing. Each station uses software-defined radios, known as SDRs, which can be reprogrammed through software without physical hardware changes. These radios operate across a wide range of frequencies, from 30 MHz to 8 GHz, enabling the system to respond to interference, changing environmental conditions, or deliberate jamming. In addition to ground stations, GEOCOSMOS uses onboard receivers and transceivers mounted on unmanned aerial vehicles, aircraft, and autonomous vehicles. These airborne components serve as relays, extending coverage. The result is a mesh network capable of maintaining communication even in remote or obstructed regions where satellite signals may be weak or unavailable. GEOCOSMOS can determine an object's position even with signals from a single station. But accuracy and coverage improve dramatically as more stations are deployed. With roughly 12,000 stations planned, the system aims to deliver high-precision navigation on a nationwide scale. This allows unmanned drones and manned aircraft to operate within the same airspace. It ensures reliable navigation and communication even in the complete absence of satellite or cellular networks. As a whole, GEOCOSMOS represents a new model of communication and navigation. It turns the entire Earth into a connected surface for navigation and communication, minimizing dependence on orbiting satellites. Because of its architecture, GEOCOSMOS is not just a specialized system. It has the potential to influence nearly every civilian and military sector. One major application is the control of unmanned aerial vehicles operating in complex or congested airspace. GEOCOSMOS supports secure, low-latency data links required for command and control of drones. In areas where satellite signals may be disrupted or unavailable, the system ensures stable operation. ZALA claims that its drones have already been tested under strong electronic warfare conditions. They carried out reconnaissance and strike correction tasks at distances greater than 100 kilometers, or approximately 62 miles, from the front line. The system also supports mixed airspace where both unmanned and manned aircraft operate together. This could help shape the next generation of national air traffic management. Beyond aviation, GEOCOSMOS supports autonomous vehicles, industrial monitoring, and emergency operations. It provides navigation and communication even during satellite failure, mobile network outages, or intentional jamming. ZALA proposes uses in pipeline monitoring, railway oversight, power grid observation, environmental monitoring, search and rescue, and geospatial mapping. Because GEOCOSMOS operates independently of foreign satellite providers, it offers sovereign control. This is especially important for national security and critical infrastructure. One of the strongest advantages of GEOCOSMOS is its resilience. With software-defined radios, wide frequency capability, and a distributed network, it is built to withstand jamming, intentional interference, severe weather, and total satellite denial. When systems like GLONASS or GPS fail or become unreliable, GEOCOSMOS can continue operating. Its reliance on fiber optic synchronization makes it less vulnerable than radio-only systems. The mesh structure adds redundancy. If a station fails, signals can be routed through others. The deployment of GEOCOSMOS fits into a broader strategy to strengthen technological sovereignty. ZALA refers to it as a Ground-Starlink designed specifically for aerial vehicles, not for consumer internet. With rising global tensions and satellite networks becoming potential targets, a ground-based alternative could reshape strategic planning. It allows military, civil, industrial, and emergency operations to function independently from foreign systems. For drone delivery, disaster response, remote logistics, and environmental monitoring, GEOCOSMOS opens new possibilities, especially in regions with limited connectivity. If successful, this concept may inspire other countries to create similar terrestrial networks, especially those facing harsh geography or limited access to space assets. The introduction of GEOCOSMOS signals a major shift in navigation and communication. It demonstrates that satellites are not the only solution, and not always the most reliable one. By deploying thousands of fiber-linked ground stations and software-defined radios, GEOCOSMOS enhances reliability, sovereignty, and resilience. It is built for a future defined by drones, autonomous vehicles, and electronic warfare. If the planned 12,000 stations are fully deployed, maintained, and standardized, GEOCOSMOS could supplement or even replace satellite systems like GLONASS under certain high-security conditions. It represents a major step toward a ground-based navigation and communication revolution, with the Earth itself becoming the network backbone for airspace, transportation, and national security. If you think the video was informative, please like, subscribe, and share. Please also take membership of the channel to encourage us.